Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to do a wire transfer using Capital One 360 checking account. Open the website, then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, click on the View Account button beside 360 checking. At the right side of this page, you will see an option for Account Services and Settings. Click on Account Services and Settings. Then a pop-up window will appear. There you will see a section for Transfers and Payments. Under Transfers and Payment is an option that says Wire Money. Click on Wire Money. Before you proceed, read this pop-up message containing important information about wire transfer. Once read, click on Next. Also, you need to verify your mobile number to make sure that it's you. To receive a code, click on Continue. Once you receive the 6-digit verification code, enter it on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Now, select the account from which you'll send the money. In this video, I'll be sending it to a person, so I clicked on Send to a Person or Company. After that, enter the amount and select the type of payment. It is also required to add a memo. Once entered, click on Next, Recipient Information. Now, enter the recipient information. After entering, click on Next, Bank Information. Then here, enter the recipient's bank information such as the wire routing number, account number, and address. Then click on Next, Review and Confirm. Before you proceed, read the terms and conditions. After reading, click on the tick box beside I agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on Continue. Lastly, review the wire transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Next, enter your debit PIN. For added security, enter the 4-digit PIN for the card linked to your account. Then click on Next, Review and Confirm. Then review again the order and click on the Wire Money button. That's how you do a wire transfer using Capital One 360 checking account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.